Here are some useful tips to reduce environmental pollution and to maintain green and clean environment. The UV radiation coming from the sun is destroying and humiliating our environment continuously. Due to high temperature, the glaciers start melting and freezing of floods in different regions, and we should take some step regarding this issue. Plants help to reduce environmental pollution in different ways as they play a vital role in the environment. Tip number 1. Avoid burning trash leaves. Try to stop extra or unwanted burning as they are producing chlorofluorocarbon, which are very destructive for our environment. Due to these chlorofluorocarbons, which are continuously producing from refrigerators, farms, insulations and aerosols, our ozone layer is going to destroy day by day. Plants help to reduce pollution as they are playing a vital role in cleaning and maintaining our environment and surrounding because they are giving us pure oxygen. We should avoid greenhouse effect as due to greenhouse effect the temperature of earth is rising day by day and causing ozone deformation, which is very harmful for our earth. Try to recycle plastic as they are not environmental friendly, so you should recycle them. By following these tips, we should maintain clean and green environment.